vaccination or any restriction at the time. So I just want you to take this moment to enjoy this mesmerizing video. It's a pretty amazing video. We stayed in a hotel called Hotel Hermitage. This hotel is actually located in the city center of Monaco, just about a minute walk to the Café de Paris or Hotel de Paris. The hotel offers amazing breakfast, and the room is actually with the view you can see on the screen, and it's pretty amazing. We're looking forward to go back to Monaco, but due to the restrictions, we kind of pause our trips at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do me a favor again. If you're enjoying this video, please do give the video a big like button. And another tip I want to give you: if you're in Monaco for a day, or if you're staying in Monaco, the best time to get amazing pictures or videos, so without a lot of tourist distraction, make sure you get to this center or this area around 8:30 or 9. It's pretty amazing. You can see there's no one here. It was amazing actually filming, and I can't wait to show you guys a minimum of these short videos. Thank you very much again. Don't forget to subscribe down.